Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to go through everything I do on a Sunday to make sure I'm setting myself up for success for the next week. And always start with my planner. I'm going to plan the next week ahead, but first I'm going to focus on this week and on Sunday what I'm going to do to make this week awesome, and starting with getting all of my laundry done and things like meal prepping. I always do my project life on Sundays and reflect on the last week and just little things like that. Sometimes there's other things I need to get done, but there's always a handful of things, maybe like 5 or 6 things that I know if I get this done, I'm going to feel super happy and successful going into the week. So I highly suggest writing down a to-do list, writing in your phone, your planner, whichever suits you best. But that's what I'm going to focus on right now, are all the things I'd like to get done, and then making sure that I'm planning ahead for the next week. I would also take this step, do it early in the morning, maybe with your coffee. Just get this done so you can reflect on everything that you need to get done, so you don't just kind of waste away your day in front of the TV, which I've done before, don't get me wrong. Laundry is something I need to get done. I was really on it in the beginning of the year, but now I'm like, oh great, tons of laundry to do. I know for me, having the pick of my closet all clean in the beginning of the week really makes me feel just like I'm starting out on the right foot. And I'm also going to lay out what I'm going to wear to the gym. I have to wake up at 4:30 to go to my 5 a.m. class, so this is key. I need as much sleep as I possibly can, and this kind of takes the thought out of what I need to wear in the morning. And then another thing I worked on was I wanted to go through all of my clothes, and I don't really use this workout clothes anymore. They don't fit me that well, and these are also like capris. So I thought if I put them away for now, if I forget about them, don't miss them, then I'm going to donate them. And if I do miss them, I'll put them back in my closet. I also cleaned the bedroom. I spent a lot of time in here. I thought I'd clean the whole entire place, but I ended up going to my boyfriend's volleyball game, so not all of it got clean, but that's completely okay. This is the big part that I dread every Sunday, but it just has to be done. I meal prepped my lunches. I need 4 for the week, and it's chicken, couscous, cucumbers, tomatoes, beans, and then I put some ranch dressing. And I know these look gross, but I promise you they're not. These are protein pancakes. That's pretty much my checklist of things that I get done on Sunday. And of course, I relax and I hang out with my boyfriend. I craft, I do other things as well, maybe take a nap. But if I don't get these things done, I will be one unhappy camper going into the week. It's funny how much doing these things really change my mindset and get me ready and prepared to really make the next week as successful as possible. And making this too overwhelming for you might just discourage you to do it in the first place. So I encourage you to write down 5 things you really want to get done on Sunday and just get it done, and then relax the rest of the day and prepare for the week. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.